we did Turing machine, and in that Turing machine we did how to process the string using the transition table. So hope you understood the transition table, how to write the actions in the transition table, and if strings are given, how to process it. We did one example as well, like we did this question. Any confusion in anybody in this question? Whatever we did yesterday?
No, sir.
Okay. So till here we had completed. Today we are going to do how to represent this. Suppose that you have been given a transition table. How to represent this into transition diagram. Okay. So how to represent it into transition diagram. So we will do today representation by transition diagram. Representation by transition diagram. So what we actually use when we suppose that you have something this is initial state and this is final state, and you are going from initial state to final state. Okay. So whenever we are using these arrows Q0 to QF, you are going, when you use this arrows, so you give some level here or not. So generally in DFA or NFA, we give the input like 0, 1 or anything. But in the Turing machine, this label will be in the form of triples. So we'll write something like this: alpha, beta, gamma. We'll write this alpha, beta, gamma. Okay. Now this is called the labels in the triples form. So you will write the labels are triples of the form alpha, beta, gamma. Now what is here alpha and beta? Alpha and beta will be the elements of this symbol, that is your tape symbols, and gamma is the element of direction, you can say either left or right. You will write where alpha and beta is this and gamma is the direction. Okay. Now suppose that if you have something, a directed edge from Qi to Qj. So here you have directed edge Q0 to QF. Q0 to QF. So what does it mean? So here you have directed edge, you have, suppose in the diagram, you in the above diagram, that is transition diagram, there is a directed edge, Q0 to QF. That's what we have written here. And labeled is alpha, beta, gamma. So if you have to write in the form of transition, transition function, so here QF to QJ with label. What is the label? Alpha, beta, and gamma. What does it mean? It means you will write delta of Q0, delta of Q0, comma alpha. Means alpha is the input. Okay. Input symbol, you can take it from the tape symbol. Equal to QF, beta, and gamma. Okay. So if you have this type of transition function given, so this you can write in the form of the transition diagram or not, and you can easily write what are the states and what is the level of the directed edge which are going from one state to another state in the form of alpha and beta and gamma. Okay, so any confusion in this? What was alpha and beta? Alpha and beta is the tape symbol inputs and gamma is the direction. That's what you wrote it here. So it means if you have Q0 alpha, delta Q0 alpha means your read write current state is Q0, your current state is Q0, current state you can write is Q0, and the symbol and the read write head which are going to be scanned is read write head scans which symbol? Alpha, because Q0 alpha. Okay, now as a result, if you are doing this, so as a result Q0 is becoming what?
QF.
Q0 is becoming QF. Okay, alpha is replaced by beta.
Beta.
And what is the direction?
Gamma.
Direction is gamma, which will be in the form of LRR, left or right. So hope you understood this. There should not be any confusion in this. Okay, any confusion, anybody? What does it mean, and how will we label the transition diagram? Okay, so I consider that there is no confusion. If you are not speaking means there is no confusion. Now I will just draw one example.
So can you go to the previous slide? So
Yes, tell.
sir, you have written as a result, Q0 is becoming QF, alpha is replacing beta, and after that?
Direction is gamma.
So it goes 4 steps right in the bracket.
See, direction is gamma means either left or right.
Okay.
Okay. Gamma means we had written here, na, gamma is the element of left or right. So it will
Okay.
either go on left or it will go to right.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So now we will write one example, and with that you try to process one string, and let's see whether it is processed or not. So suppose that I'm writing Q1 initial state, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. So suppose that this is your transition diagram. Okay, and now this is B, B, R. This is Y, Y, R. This is 0, X, R. 1, Y, L. 0, 0, R. This is 0, 0, L. This is also 0, 0, L. This is X, X, R. This is Y, Y, R. Y, Y, L. This is X, X, R. Y, Y, R. This is B, B, R. Anything which is left here? I think we have given all the label for the directed edges. Now here question is, obtain the computation sequence for a string for input string zero, zero, 1, 1. So you have this transition diagram and you have to find the computation sequence for 0011. Yesterday we did one example, but that we did with transition table. So the format of the transition table and the transition diagram is different. Means here the labeled here, whatever we wrote here, and whatever you wrote in the transition function here is different. Here in the transition diagram, what is happening? This R is at last, means the direction is at last. Output is first, then this Q1 is coming first, means your state, next state whatever you are getting is coming first, then your output is coming, and then direction is coming. Check it here. But here in the diagram, in the transition table, it is different. Firstly, the output is coming, then direction is coming, and then state is coming. So don't be confused with the transition table and transition diagram. Here, what is Y? Or here, what is 0? Q1. And what is 0? 0 is the input. So Q1 0 equal to what you are getting? Q2. And at the place of 0, what is becoming? X, and you are moving towards the right direction. So this will be the procession. So can you solve this question? Okay, I will just show some steps and you start solving it. You also start solving it and I will show it here, some steps. So what generally we do? This question is something like this. Okay, you have 0, 0, 1, 1. If you are defining the instantaneous definition, okay, then you generally add a blank, and you can add a blank before that as well. There is no problem. Okay, now your read write head will be currently here, isn't it? Your read write head will be here, and you are currently at state Q1. You are currently at state Q1. So state Q1. Okay, and this is your read write head. So what exactly? I will just show one step. So what will you do here? How will you write? So you'll write something like this. B 0011 B, and currently where are you? I will just, yesterday we did in this format. We wrote in this format. When you used the transition table. When you will use transition diagram, it will be easier. Currently your read write head will be at this 0th position. Okay, and what is the state you are here? Q1, isn't it? So just take some space and write so that yes. So we'll write from here. So 0, 0, 1, 1, blank, blank, you took it. Now you are at this place. Your state is Q1. So Q1 0, Q1 0. Q1 0. What is the label you have to follow? Which label you have to follow here? Check from the diagram and let me know. Where is the 0 input? With 0 input, where are you going?
Q2.
Q2. And which label you are following? 0XR. So you will write here 0XR. So where are you going? 0 is 0 only. 0 is becoming X and you are moving one right. So this B and this first 0 is becoming now X. And then you have 0, 1, 1 B. So R means you are moving one right. So your read write head will move towards the right direction. So you will be on this 0 now. And what will be your state now? Q2. Okay. So now tell me Q2 0. Q2 0. Which one will you follow?
0, 0, R.
0, 0, R. So 0, 0, R. Where will you go now? What will you write next? So B and X is X only. And this 0 is this time 0 only. And you have 1, 1 B. Where your read write head will go now? Its R means
On 1.
one direction right. So it will come here. And what is your state now?
Q2.
Q2. Because it was self load. So now check for Q2 1. Q2 1. Which one will you follow? Do you have any Q2 1?
Yeah, 1YL.
1YL. So you will write here 1YL. Means 1 is becoming Y now, isn't it? So what will you write now? B X, then 0, then
Y.
Y,
1B.
1B. And your read write head will go where now?
Left on 0.
Left. So it will come on 0. And your new state is
Q4.
Q4 or Q3?
No. Q3, not 4, not 4.
So Q3.
X0, yeah, Q3.
Okay. So now you will check Q3 0. Q3 0. Where are you going?
0, 0, L.
0, 0, L. You are going to
Q4.
Q4. So here you will write 0, 0, L.
So we go to X.
So you will go to
X left.
X. So firstly 0 is becoming 0 only. So there is no change. So B X 0 Y 1 B, isn't it? And you are coming here now X, and what is the state?
Q4.
Q4. So what will you check now?
Q4X.
Q4X.
X.
So check Q4X,
XXR.
XXR. And where are you going?
Q1.
Q1.
Q1. So XXR. So what will you write now? B X. Where will we rewrite head? Is this correct? Any confusion, anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So can you complete this? Full steps?
So, when do we stop? When we reach Q5, right? No, Q6, I think.
When you will be at Q6.
Q6, yeah, that's the final state. So we'll stop there,
And
right?
no. And whenever your machine halts. Okay.
What do you mean machine halts? When will that be?
You will not have any way to go out.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
So can you complete this? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So check.
So do we need to add the blank in the beginning?
Yes, it might be needed.
We didn't do
Sometimes
that
it is
last
not
time.
needed. If needed, then you can add later on. There is no problem.
Okay.
Okay. But generally, whenever you are processing, add it so that. But always you will start with the first input only. Not you will not start with the blank.
Okay, sir.
So can you open slide number 17, please? So,
Yeah.
can you open slide 17, please?
Yes. I had opened. Did you not check?
Yeah, I didn't write it down. I was seeing it from the slide itself.
Okay. Okay. I'll just open. I'm just writing the final answer. So
Yeah,
that
okay.
finally you will get B B R, and here you will get B X X Y Y B B Q6. So this will be your final one. Okay. Yes. Now check. You have 2 minutes to complete it. Then we'll go for the next topic. Yes, anyone who could finish the final steps?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how many steps you are getting finally? Till I have completed after that. After this bx0y1b q1.
Sir, 8 steps.
This will be the final answer will be after that 8th step.
Yes, sir.
You got it correctly. Very good. Anyone is having any confusion in this? Are facing the problem to complete this? So you can see once you have reached to this stage Q6B, do you have any input further, or you are halting? Your machine is halting here.
It's holding.
It's halting. It means you will stop here and you think. Now, till now we have not done the acceptability of by Turing machine. That's why you might be confused little bit. So our next topic will be, our next topic is, you complete this, and then our next topic is language acceptability by Turing machine. Language acceptability language acceptability by Turing machine. Means when will you say this particular given language is accepted by this Turing machine? Turing machine is given, and if you have to check whether this language, or just now one transition diagram for that Turing machine was given and one language was given to you, when will you say that language is accepted by that Turing machine? Means that transition diagram or the transition table, whatever has been given to you. Okay, so we will do this now. Let's consider a Turing machine M. Suppose that your Turing machine M is having how many tuples? How many tuples are there in the Turing machine?
7.
7.
7.
So these are the 7. Do let me know if I am forgetting anything here. Is this the 7?
Yes, sir.
And suppose that during a string W, which is, anyway, if a string is there, that will be from the input string. So which is from sigma star, is said to be accepted, is said to be accepted by M if Q0 and W, means complete that W string, is processed, and you are getting something like this alpha 1 P alpha 2 for some P is the elements of F. F means, if you are saying P is the element of F, means
It's your final state.
its final state, and your alpha 1 alpha 2 will be the elements of the tape symbol. Okay, so when will you say it is accepted? If you are reaching to the final state, isn't it? If you are reaching to the final state after processing everything, means if you are at final state, means that string is accepted. Now another thing is, it also might happen, like see here in this example, you reach to Q6 and machine halts, isn't it? Now what would have been the condition? The machine is not halting at all. Machine is not halting at all. It's keep going. It's keep going. Or another condition can be it is halting in between only. It's not reaching to the final state. Suppose that at the place of Q6 you are getting something Q3, and in this transition diagram Q6 is the final state, and suppose that you are halting at Q3. When you will halt at Q3, if you will get Q3 with input 1, you will halt here or not? Check in this diagram.
Yes, sir.
So if that condition would have come, you are reached to the Q3 and your input string is 1, means your machine will be halting before the non-final state. So if it is non-final state and it is halted, means that is called non-accepting states. So one condition can be that, and another condition is it is not halting at all. It is not halting at all. So these are the two conditions. When will you say your string is not accepted? Okay, so this we did. When will you say string is accepted? And now when will you say your string is not accepted? So for that you can write the condition which these two conditions which I just explained to you. M does not accept W. M does not accept W if the machine M if the machine M either halts in a non-accepting state, in a when will you say it is non-accepting state? If it is not final state, or does not halt. So these are the two conditions, and these two conditions are possible or not? Any confusion in this? I think I took the example with this and explained, so you should not be confused. But still, if you are confused when you will say it is not accepted, do let me know. Okay, so there is no confusion. Now we will take one example so that we could check the thing. So suppose that you have been given a transition table, and the transition table is something like present state, and you have so many inputs. That is tape symbol 0, 1, X, Y, B. So let's make it. This was your transition table, a transition diagram. Can you make the equivalent transition table for this? Can you make the equivalent transition table for this?
Yes.
So how will you make it? What will you write? So let's make it here. Here you write tape symbols. And here you write present state. So initial state was Q1 or not? Q1 0 input. What are you getting? X R Q2. X R Q2. So what will you write here? X R Q2. Then Q2 0 input. Check Q2 0 input. You will get 0 R Q2. Check Q2 0 input. 0 R Q2. Q3 0 input. 0 L Q4. Isn't it? So you'll write 0 L Q4. Then Q4 0 input. 0 L Q4. Now anything is having with one input. I think Q2 is having only one input. Rest no state is having one input. So check Q2 one input. YL Q3. So you will write YL Q3. Now how many are having X input? Q3 and Q4 are having X input. Check. Q3 and Q4 are having X input. Only these two are having X input. So Q3X you are getting XRQ5, and Q4X you are getting XRQ1. So XRQ5, XRQ1. Now how many are having Y input? Check. Q2, Q3 and Q5 is having Y input. Q3, Q2 and Q5. So Q2 Y input, you are getting Y R Q2. Q3 Y input, you will get Y L Q3. And Q5 Y input, what will you get? Why are Q5?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's write it. Y are Q2, Y are Q, Y L Q3, and
YRQ5.
Y are
Q5.
Q5. Now come for B input. How many are you having B input?
Q1, Q5.
Q1, Q5. What is Q1?
BR, Q6.
B R
Q6.
Q6 or Q5?
Q6. Q6, sir.
B R Q6. B R Q6, yes. And Q5?
BR, Q6.
B R Q6. Anything which is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 edges are we have written. So how many edges are here available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 12 edges. So this is fine now. So suppose that you have this question. Okay, this Q6 is the final state. You got it from that. So now you know how to make transition table from transition diagram. Okay. The question here is check the following strings are accepted or not. And what are those strings? Suppose that A, first string you have to check 0, 1, 1. Second string you have to check 0, 0, 1, 1. Third string you have to check 0, 0, 1. Okay. Now I will just do one question and others you can do it. So let's do part A. What you have to check? Q0. Your first state is Q1. So you will start with Q1. And what is the string? 0, 1, 1. So what will you get here? Q1 0. Where are you going? Q1 0. 0 is becoming X. You are moving towards right and you are getting Q2. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what will you write here?
Q2 X Q2.
Sir,
No. So we'll move right now.
Okay, yeah.
You'll move
Sir?
right. Yes.
For the input string Q1011, won't we add B in the end?
Yes, we will add it. If necessary, we will add it. Okay.
Okay.
Let's add it. Okay. Even if you're not adding here,
Yes.
whenever it is required, you should add it at the last. You can always add the blank. Okay.
Okay.
Now Q21. Q21. 1 is becoming Y.
I left Q3.
Q3. So now where will you go?
Q3. Q2 will move left, yeah, so it will be Q3 X Y1.
Q3
X Y1.
Y1. Then what is the next step?
Q3X.
Q3X. So Q3X, where are you going?
Right.
XRQ5 means you are moving right.
Right here.
So what will you write now?
X Y Q5 1.
Y1.
X Q5
Y1.
1.
Y1. And somebody told me to add B as well, so let's add B.
Now Q5Y.
Q5Y. YRQ5. So Y is Y only, you are moving one right.
Right.
So X
Y.
Y.
Q51B.
Now do you have Q51?
No.
False.
You have Q51?
No, you don't.
No. So it means it is halting it in between or not?
Yes.
So what will you write here? The region as delta of Q51 is not available. Is not available or defined, isn't it? And your machine M halts, so input string 011 is not accepted. You will give the full reason. Why will you say that this is not accepted? Any confusion, anybody in this question? Any confusion, anybody? So can you solve now part B and part C? I can expect from you or I should solve it here again? Those two.
We'll do it, sir.
You will do it. So do it, and I'm waiting. Show me the answers.
Okay, sir.
So can you go to slide 22?
Okay.
Sir, if I'm not wrong, the B part we already solved, right?